Hi, it's me, Thomas the Tank Engine Productions 9734, and today, since I won't be posting on my layout, we have a new railway discussion video. So let's get into it. So right here is Tiger Moth. And just let me move this box out of the way. Okay, just let me move him back because I was playing with him earlier. So this is how he works basically. So you just have to crank it. And then you just have to press it, and then he will move. It's really cool, because I never got it, and I've been waiting for it. Now, here are our engines. We've got a pretty cool selection of them. And you can see right here's a soda wash. Here's its box. And then right here's a stop sign with another school sign. And we will get to the shed later. Right here is Sir Handel and his little drawbridge with D199. It's really hard to find him. Here's the figure 8 expansion pack with a cranky, which is still in this box. Let me move that for us. And yep, right there. And then here we have this beautiful rest of tracks. And then right here we have the engine shed. Right here is its box. And then right here is Lady Hans her Topham hat, and right there's her box, and it's really nice actually because I've been looking for these, and like I said, it's really hard to find these, especially like this. Oh, here, see, for the ending, I'm gonna put Thomas in this box so you guys can see what it looks like. And thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I will be looking forward to post some new videos soon. So, bye!